So over here you can see that I have a layer mask applied on this particular layer. I can go around and draw around and you can see that I have the layer mask active just like this, and it is non-destructive. But let's say what I want to do is I want to view the full picture right here without actually deleting the layer mask. In that case, what I can do is I can simply enable or disable the layer mask whenever I want. So to do that, I need to go around onto the layer menu right here, and then I can go around onto mask right here, and I can simply disable the layer mask. Once you do that, you can see that the layer mask turns red right here. That means it is disabled. It is not deleted, it's just disabled, so you can see the picture right here. And if you want to re-enable it, then you can simply go around onto layer, onto mask right here again, and then simply re-enable by clicking on the disable enable mask right here, just like this. And that is how you can disable and enable the layer mask inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.